Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we are from the team Deadline Warrior will present our game, the Vocal Run game. So in our next, so in our team we have 4 members, led by myself, Menu, Gastia Eka Putra, with the number 4311 90 10 35. Then followed by Siti Ayu Lestari with NIM number 4311 90 10 37. And then Wanda Dwi Octaviani 4311 90 10 49. And lastly is M. Boriski Jeviardika 4011 90 10 58. Next. And then there's our project manager, Mr. Supardianto, SRM Master Inc. Next. Job description. So there's a few job description. First is me, Jessica Putra, that I have the job for game programming, hardware programming, sound and music, game design, and manual book. And then there's M. Boriski Jeviardika, and the job is hardware programming, sound and music, and hardware design. And we have Wanda Dwi Octaviani with the job poster and supporting image, video demo, game storyline, final report, and PBL document. And lastly is Siti Ayu Lestari. I am carrying the job, game storyline, game design, video demo, manual book. Next. Next will be explained by Wanda Dwi Octaviani.
Okay, abstract. The Vocal Run is 2D game based by the game Flappy Bird. The Vocal Run game tells the journey of Midori's character who blocked by several obstacles and must be faced by the player so that Midori's character can be continued journey to audition. How to play Vocal Run game is using voice controller. Next is background of study. One of the development carried out is on the type of game that use two dimensions. So the concept of the camera in 2D game only determined in the image in the game that can be seen by the player.
Research problem. Project-based learning problem is developing this new version in Flappy Bird game. Previously explained with my friend that the game design, there are 3 themes available: play desert, play hill, and play castle. The game plot and integrating a voice-controlled gameplay. Next, we have the problem of different version of Unity. So the program code cannot be opened. The solution upgrade to the last version of Unity. Next slide. Next. Purpose of the study. To be able to determine game logic such as game rules, storyboard, how to play this game by making a sound, so that the Midori character can fly over obstacle. And design control case. And the last one, make a video game trailer Vocal Run. Next.
Benefits of study. The benefits and the significance of the study conducted by us, in which each field has different benefits. One of the difficulties we find is that the synchronization between the analog voice controller and the software of the game itself. Next.
Literature review. Conduct a literature study about Flappy Bird game. Brainstorming and the game asset design. Design controller. And the last one, conduct trial testing. Theoretical base. Flappy Bird by a developer from Hanoi, Vietnam, Nguyen Ha Dong. How to play Flappy Bird is very easy. You just need to tap on the phone screen to start playing, and there is grand pipes obstacle. Next.
Research methodology. In the making 2D Vocal Run game and the controller, there are several stages. The basic stage of making a game are as follow: pre-production, production, and pre-production. Boris, please explain.
The means of controlling the video game is by command using a 3D printed controller that uses a sound sensor to detect the user voice command.
Okay. Implementation. What is implementation? Implementation is carrying out the activities with the aim of delivering the output and monitoring progress compared to the work plan. And so there's a few things in our game. First, there's a main menu. It's showing all the menus that can be used by player. Player can choose the menu by click it with the mouse. And there's a level select. If player choose play in main menu, it will take the player to level selection. After that, player must choose with level what they want to play, what level they want to play. Next, gameplay. After player choose the level, player will be transferred to gameplay scene, which can be played by the player. There's a few gameplay scenes with different biomes or place. Next. Next. Okay. There's a pause menu. In pause menu, there's 3 buttons. Button from the right is play button, the middle one is retry button, and the left one is home button. Will take the player to main menu. And there's a high score and game over. The high score is for the player who already broke the old score. So if the player beat the old score, the game over text will be changed to new high score. And then there's a game over if the old player can beat the old high score, and the text will be game over. Next. So what is the conclusion and justification? At first, we found it difficult to implement the system and logic into the game. But after going through several discussions, which were also attended by the project manager, and looking at both video tutorial and forum from the internet or YouTube, we were finally able to overcome these difficulties. We learned a lot about asset design, game programming, and hardware programming while working on this game project. And after the game and content were finished, we also learned to make video trailer and demo video of this game, which will introduce the vocal run. I think that's the result of our presentation. I, Gasya Eka Putra, resign. And if there was wrong word, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.